Hello students, welcome to oh.learn. So our topic for today is profit and loss. So in this chapter, we will be covering the definitions for the profit and loss and also the formula for calculating the profit and loss. Also, we will be covering the first exercise of this chapter, that is exercise number 31, and 32 will be covered in the next video. So let's dive into the lesson. So here there are definitions of profit and loss. Let's understand each one by one. So first definition says that if the selling price is more than the amount paid for it, then there is a gain. Okay, and that gain is called as profit. So they are saying that if you buy any object or any material for some amount of rupees and sell it a bit more than what you bought it, then you receive a gain, and that is called as profit. Okay, and on the other hand, if you when an article is sold for less than the amount paid for it, that means if you buy anything and you sell it for lesser amount than you bought it, then there is a damage, and that damage is called as a loss. Okay, so let's learn the formula for calculating the profit and loss. Now we have two formulas here. One is for loss and other is for profit. So the formula says that loss equals to cost price minus selling price, and here we just have to interchange the two values. Okay. So profit is selling price minus cost price. Now this formula are easy to remember. Now we just have to understand when we are going to use which formula. So just see here what they have written. If the selling price is less than the cost price, then there is a loss. So we will be using this formula. And when the selling price is more than the cost price, we will be using the formula for profit. So what they mean is, when the cost price is more than the selling price, there is a loss. So we will be using this formula. And when the selling price is more than the cost price, there we gain a profit. So we will be using the formula for profit. Okay. Now let's understand these with a few examples. So there is a girl, Rima, and she bought 7 apples for rupees 70. As you can see in the picture, there are 7 apples here, excluding this one, and she sold it for rupees 100. Now they are asking us how much profit she gained. So let's calculate it. Now they have told us she gained a profit. Okay, so that means the selling price is greater than cost price. Let's check it. So the cost price here is rupees 70 and the selling price here is 100. That means this is true, and she gained a profit, right? So we will write the formula for profit, which is profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Let's add the values. Selling price here is 100 rupees and cost price is 70, which gives us answer of 30 rupees. Okay, that means she gained a profit of 30 rupees. Easy, simple, right? Let's see another example. Now, in this example, they have given the same girl. Now she bought 16 oranges for rupees 200. That means this is her cost price, and she sold it for rupees 160. That means this is her selling price. Now we have to calculate how much loss she got. Now for loss, the condition is the cost price should be greater than the selling price. So your cost price is 200, right, which is greater than 160. So she faced a loss. So the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price, which is 200 minus 160. Now this is what, 40 rupees. So she gained a loss of rupees 40. I hope you understand it. Now let's start with the exercise number 31 from your textbook. So In first question there are four sub question. Let's do each one by one. So in the first question, what they have given us is cost price and selling price and profit and loss. We have to find it and how much profit or loss it was. Okay. So question number one, first question, they have given us what? Cost price is equals to 4500 rupees and selling price is 5000, right? So here the selling price is greater than the cost price, which means it was a profit. So we will write the formula for profit, which is selling price minus cost price, which gives us an answer after subtracting 5000 minus 4500, which gives us answer 5000 rupees, right? That means in first question there was a profit of rupees 500. Now let's do the second question from question number 1. So in this question they have given same things, okay? Just number are changed. So here cost price is 4100 and selling price is 4090. Now here the cost price is greater than the selling price. This means it was a loss. Okay. So we understood it was a loss. Now we have to calculate how much loss. So loss equals to cost price minus selling price, which gives us 4100 minus 4090, which gives us an answer of rupees 10. That means in the second question there was a loss of 10 rupees. Okay, easy, right? Now let's jump on to the third one. Now in this question what they have given is same thing, right? Cost price here is 700, selling price here is 799. Now you tell me which is bigger number here. Obviously the selling price, right? So the selling price is greater than cost price, which means it was a profit. So we will be using the formula for profit, which says selling price minus cost price, which gives us 799 minus 700 equals to 99 rupees. That means there was a profit of rupees 99. Easy, right? Now, the last one from question number 1. Now, here, what they have given us is cost price is 1000, right? And selling price is 920. Now, here, clearly we can see that the cost price is greater than the greater than the selling price, right? Wait a second. Huh. What I was saying, the cost price is greater than the selling price. So we will be using the formula for loss, right? So loss equals to cost price minus selling price, which gives us 1000 minus 920 equals to 80 rupees, right? So there was a loss of 80 rupees in the last question. Hope you guys understood this. Now let's move on to the word problems. In the second question, now they are saying that there was a shopkeeper who bought a bicycle. Okay, wait a minute. Hmm. A shopkeeper who bought a bicycle for rupees 300. He bought it, right? So this means this was his cost price and he sold the same cycle. Okay, he sold, that means this is the selling price. Now they are asking us the profit. Now we have to calculate it. So let me raise this first. Okay, so here the cost price of the cycle is 3000 rupees and the selling price is 3400 rupees, right? So here the selling price is greater than the cost price, which means it was a profit, which is already told in the question. So we will be writing the formula for profit, which says profit equals to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 3400, this value, minus the cost price 3000, which gives us an answer of 400 rupees. That means we will conclude this question with the statement that shopkeeper's profit was 400 rupees. Okay. Now the third question. Now here in this question, there was a lady, Sunanda Bai, who bought milk. Okay, so she bought it, right? So this is the cost price, and she converted it into yogurt. Now she sold it for rupees 700. That means this was her cost price. Sorry, this was her selling price, right? Wait a minute. Huh. Then this was her selling price. So they are asking us the profit she made. So, um, hmm. So we will be writing it here. The cost price is 475 and the selling price is 700, right? Obviously, the selling price is greater than the cost price. Obviously, it's a profit as given in the question. So we will be writing the formula for profit, which says selling price minus cost price, which gives us 700 minus 475. Now, tell me the answer. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 225. 225 rupees. So, we will conclude this question with the statement that Sunanda Bai made a profit of rupees 225. Okay, easy. Now, let's jump on to the fourth question. So, in this question, what are they saying is, wait a minute. Yeah. So, in this question, they are saying that Jija Mata Women Saving Group bought raw materials for rupees 15,000. That means this was their CP, right? And they made the chaklis out of it. Now they sold the chaklis for 22,050 rupees. Now they are asking us profit the women saving group made. So we will write it here that cost price equals to 15,000 rupees and selling price equals to 22,000. Wait. What is happening? Hmm. So selling price is 22,050 rupees, right? So the selling price is more than the cost price, which is a profit, which is given in the question. So we will be using the profit formula, which is selling price minus cost price, which gives us 22050 minus 15,000. So we get an answer of 7,050 rupees. We will be writing a statement for this that the Jijamata Women Saving Group made a profit of rupees 7,050 rupees. Okay. Now next question. So in this question there is a person named Pramod. Hmm? And he bought 100 bunches of methi greens for 400 rupees, and in a sudden downpour, that means due to rain, 30 of his bunches on his handcart got spoiled. That means out of 100, 30 were wasted. Okay, and he sold the rest which was left for rupees 5 each. Now they are asking us, did he make any profit or any loss? Now this time they haven't given there was a profit or a loss. They are asking us to find out. Okay, and if there was any of the one, then it was how much. So we will be writing. Now here he bought it for 400 rupees, right? So this is his cost price, and now we have to find the selling price because they haven't given it here. So we will be writing it as the cost price of 100 bunches of methi green equals to 400 rupees. Now we know that out of 100, 30 were spoiled. So we will be subtracting it to find how much is left with him. So 70 methi green is left with him, and he sold these 70 methi greens for 5 rupees each, right? So, to find out the amount of the 70 bunches of methi green left with him, what we will be doing? We will be multiplying 70 bunches of methi with 5 rupees, which gives us an answer of 350 rupees, right? So, now we got his selling price, that is 350 rupees, and the cost price, which is 400 rupees. Now, we have to first see which value is greater to find out whether he made a profit or a loss, right? Because they haven't given us. So let's see. Here the cost price is 400 and the selling price is 350. That means the cost price is greater than the selling price, right? So this means it was a loss. So what we will be using? The formula for loss, which gives us loss equals to cost price minus selling price, which is equal to 400 minus 350, which gives us an answer of 50 rupees. That means Pramod faced a loss of rupees 50. Now, next question. I hope you are watching the video till now and you are not tired and you are enjoying it. Hope it is interesting for you guys. Now, so in the sixth question, Sharad bought 1 quintal of onions, okay, for rupees 2000. That means this is his cost price, and later he sold them all, okay, at a rate of 18 per kg. That means 1 kg for 18 rupees. And how much he bought? 1 quintal. Now they are asking us, did he make a profit or a loss like the previous question? And they are asking to calculate it how much it was. So before starting this answer, you should know one thing here clearly, that 1 quintal, okay, is equals to 100 kg. Okay, 1 quintal is 100 kg. And if you don't know this, then you can't solve the sum further. So just remember this. Now, how much quintal he bought? 1 quintal. That means he bought 100 kg of onion for rupees 2000. So here the cost price is of 1 quintal, that means 100 kg of onion is 2000 rupees. Now they have not given us the selling price. Instead, they have given us that he sold all of them for rupees 18 per kg. And how many kg he had? 100 kg, right? 1 quintal, which is 100 kg. And each he sold at 18 rupees. So we will be multiplying it with 18, which gives us an answer of 1800 rupees. Okay. So now we have to compare the values of the cost price and the selling price and find out which is the bigger one. So here the cost price is 200 and the selling price is 1800. So here the cost price is greater than the selling price. That means it was a loss. So we will be calculating with the formula of loss, that cost price minus selling price equals to 2000 minus 1800, which gives us an answer of, yes, correct, 200 rupees. Okay, so in this question the person Sharad faced a loss of how many rupees? 200 rupees. Okay, now let's solve the next question. So here, I guess this is the last question from this exercise. So let's end it with the pink color. Now, in this question, there was a lady named Kantabai, okay, and she bought 25 saris from a wholesale merchant for rupees 10,000. That means this is her cost price, and she sold them all at 460 rupees each. That means this is her selling price of how many sari? One sari, right? They haven't given us the selling price directly of all 25 saris, that we have to calculate. Now they are asking us how much profit that Kantabai get in this transaction. That means how much she earned more. So let's start the sum. Wait a minute. So the cost price here is given in the question, that is 10,000 rupees, right? And selling price of one sari is given, but we have 25 saris, so we will be multiplying the amount of one sari by the number of sari. So this is the number of sari, and the amount of one sari is 460 rupees. So after multiplying this, we get the answer as 11,500 rupees. Now let's compare. Although they have given us that she will be making a profit, but let's check, right? So here the selling price is greater than the cost price. That means it was a profit which is given in the question, but still we are checking it. So the formula for profit is selling price minus cost price equals to 11,500 minus 10,000. Okay, wait. Minus 10,000, right? So after subtracting this, we will be getting an answer of 1,500 rupees. That means the lady, sorry, that means the lady Kantabai got a profit of how much rupees? 1,500 rupees. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and you can just follow the Instagram channel of my account or my YouTube channel, also my WhatsApp, for further updates, and you can also get the PDF of this video there. So hope you guys enjoy it, and you can also share this video with your friends. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.